Bienvenidos a Learning Program with Kinect. Este es un juego que sirve para aprender a programar en Java. El juego puede ser manejado mediante gestos gracias a la Kinect, así como con el ratón y teclado de tu ordenador. Para pulsar los botones usando la Kinect tienes que hacer el movimiento que puedes ver en la siguiente animación, cuando observes que el botón se remarque.
Welcome to Theoretical Labyrinth. In this game, learn all the theory we need to know to program in Java. It will have to move the player of your choice to partner to tell the correct answer to the question that you are asking. You can move the player putting the bits that you see below in addition to the date of the keyboard. A variable is A name that contains a value that can change throughout the program. B a name that contains a value which cannot vary throughout the program. C, none of the above. D, is the same as an object. A variable is a name that contains a value that can change throughout the program, unlike a constant, whose value cannot be modified. How many types of variables exist in Java, according to the type of information they contain? A, 1b, 2c, 3d, 4. Wrong answer. Please review the theory and try to follow it. How many types of variables exist in Java, according to the type of information they contain? A, 1b, 2c, 3d, 4. Time. Time has run out. Please try again. Welcome to Who Wants to Be a Programmer? \n in this game learn to analyze different codes in Java and know they do. It will have to answer to the various questions. You can answer in several different ways. Firstly, you can answer the Kinect talking to the number of the correct answer, 1, 2, 3 or 4. As an alternative, you can answer the questions by clicking on the buttons at the bottom of the screen, using either the Kinect or by the computer mouse. If you want to give the value 17 to the variable x and then multiply its value by 8, proper instructions are: the answer you have chosen is the only one that is assigned the value 17 to the variable x. This is multiplied by 8 other replies, or give an error, or just do not do what the statement calls. To make a loop which evaluates the sum of n integers entered at the keyboard. Which statement should you use? 1, while 2, do while 3, for 4, case. The most suitable loop for this program is the for loop, as the loop counter itself manages. If we design an algorithm for counting the number of occurrences of the letter A in a sentence entered by keyboard, knowing that the statement is not empty, the right loop is 1, for. 2, while. 3, do while. 4, case. Most appropriate for this program loop is the for loop, because you can put a stop condition that the counter is equal to the length of the sentence, and leader loop itself is responsible for managing the counter. If we have the following code, what is displayed on screen? 1, 7, 2, a 3, a 4, 7. Wrong answer. Please review the theory and try to follow it. If we have the following code, what is displayed on screen? 1, 7, 2, a 3, a 4, 7. Time. Time has run out. Please try again. Welcome to the tree of primitive variables. In this game learn to distinguish between different primitive types that exist in Java. The game is to catch as many fruits representing the primitive data type requested in the question. You only have to touch the fruit. The more fruits so lane followed almost certainly correct, the speed will increase and the score will increase faster. Take fruits that contain variables of type int. The data type int is a 32-bit integer complement 2. Its minimum value is -2,147,483,648 and maximum 2,147,483,647, inclusive. Take fruits that contain variables of type long. Wrong answer. Please review the theory and trying to follow it. Welcome to Test Yourself. The game is conducting a review of 10 questions randomly generated from all that we have studied in the game Theoretical Labyrinth and Who Wants to Be a Programmer? To test what you've learned in the time you have played Learning Program with Kinect. To answer questions only have to touch the right button. To which of the following paradigms owns the Java language? A. Imperative. B. Object-oriented. C. Functional. D. None of the above. Java is a programming language, object-oriented, developed by Sun Microsystems in early 1991. Given the following program, what prints on screen? 1, 0, 2, 22, 3, 1, 4, 11. Wrong answer. Please review the theory and trying to follow it. Given the following code snippet. When do you run the statement 2? 1. When cond1 is true and cond2 true. 2. When cond1 is false. 3. When cond1 is true and cond2 is false. 4. Never, since this fragment contains an error. Else should be just below the second if. Time. Time has run out. Please try again.